Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Scientists turned toothpaste into edible transistors for smart health tracking. It is no longer possible to see this as the buildings outside block the sun. Grand Central NYC 1929. According to Indian doctors, is to arrange the right daily routine. It involves waking up 2 hours before sunrise. Also, you need to eat at the right time and sleep on time. Yanjin country, Yunnan in China, the city built on river and the narrowest city in the world. It has a population of more than 500,000. Gentle brushing protects enamel and gums. Growth is a labyrinth where each turn reveals new potential. Giant river otters are known to gang up on jaguars. There are proposals to build a space elevator by 2050, which could make traveling to space as easy as taking an elevator ride. Qatar built this glass masjid so that foreigners can see Muslims pray. Although dingoes are about the same size as a Springer Spaniel, they are brave enough to target an adult kangaroo when hunting in packs. The world's first Android phone was the HTC Dream, also known as the T-Mobile G1 in the United States. It was released on October 22, 2008. Once you carry your own water, you will learn the value of every drop. Newton quote, "I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people." Worst natural disasters in history. The Golconda Fort used to have a vault where once the famous Kohinoor and Hope diamonds were stored along with other diamonds. Trying hard to reach all corners of your shirt while ironing using a hair straightener will become your helping hand. Socrates is famous for the phrase, "What I do not know, I do not think I know." This means I know that I know nothing. There are more Albanians living abroad than Albania. Mimosa folds its leaves during the night and as an answer to external stimuli such as touch. The cock of the rock, a unique bird residing in South America. Helianthus is the scientific name of sunflower, helia for sun and anthus for flower. J.K. Simmons is the voice of the yellow peanut M&M on the commercials since the late 1990s. Sunflower is the only flower with flower in its name. The lotus has been historically used for medicinal purposes such as pain reliever and for alleviating muscle spasms. Women have a lower threshold for cold weather than men. Everyone has a unique smell except for identical twins who smell the same. The cobra is mesmerized by the shape and movement of the flute, not by the sound. Less than 1/3 of the human race has 20/20 vision. The attachment of the human skin to muscles is what causes dimples. Only 2 US states have never recorded a temperature about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. One is Alaska, which is expected. The other, surprisingly, is Hawaii. Duck-billed dino with absolutely enormous honker unearthed in Mexico. The 10th man rule: if 9 of us who get the same information arrived at the same conclusion, it's the duty of the 10th man to disagree. No matter how improbable it may seem, the 10th man has to start thinking about the assumption that the other 9 are wrong. The reason hurricanes and cyclones have human name is due to meteorologist Clement. He started naming them after politicians he disliked, allowing him to say they were causing great distress or wandering aimlessly. Ravens can spot a cheater and will shun one another for being unfair. The birds work together to get equal amounts of food, but if they notice another raven taking more than its fair share, they immediately lose trust and won't cooperate with them in the future. Mark Henry holds the world record for the combined lifts of snatch, clean, and jerk squat, bench press, and deadlift totaling 3,324.5 lbs in drug tested competition. This achievement arguably makes him the strongest person to ever live. Medieval Europeans' cuisine was once complex and heavily spiced. However, as spices became more affordable and accessible to the lower classes, the elites gradually reduced their use of spices, distancing themselves from what they perceived as common fare. One of the main reasons that stressful situations become crises for many persons is that they have no one to whom they can turn who will listen to and understand their difficulties. Did you know Leonardo da Vinci's works hide mysterious secrets? The Mona Lisa, The Last Supper, Hidden Symbols, Unknown Works. Thanks for watching.